Here's a classic pizza recipe that you can make at home. Ingredients: 1 pizza crust store-bought or homemade 1 cup pizza sauce, 2 cups mozzarella cheese, shredded, your choice of toppings such as pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, olives, onions, etc., olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to the temperature specified on the pizza crust packaging or to 450 F 230 Celsius if using homemade dough. 2. Roll out your pizza crust on a floured surface. To your desired thickness, place it on a greased or parchment-lined baking sheet. 3. Brush the pizza crust with olive oil to create a crispy crust. 4. Spread the pizza sauce evenly over the crust, leaving a small border around it. 5. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese evenly over the sauce. 6. Add your choice of toppings, distributing them evenly across the pizza. 7. Sprinkle some Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper over the toppings for added flavor. 8. Place the pizza in the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling. 9. Remove from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving.